Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, voice-activated navigation system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.